welcome back. So today I have a Bath and Body Works haul for you. Yay! So today I'm going to be showing you my Bath and Body Works spring haul. I had not planned on doing one of these, but I have been shopping there quite frequently over the last couple weeks, and so I said, why not? Let me just show you guys what I have purchased, because I know a lot of you do shop at Bath and Body Works also and love their fragrances as much as I do. So let me just go ahead and show you what I purchased. They're big, large bags here. Let me just show you one. Oh, so this is my first bag here. I went in there about 3 times. And I also had a Valentine's Day gift given to me by my husband, which was really sweet. He knew that I loved a particular fragrance and I had been looking for it. So he did buy me that. So I'm going to go ahead and include that as well. So let me just show you what I have in this first bag. Start with the body care that I picked up. I had a coupon. If you do sign up for their reward program, you will get a mailer sent to you about once a month with their specials as well as coupons. So I did pick up the rose scent. I have been really enjoying their rose scents lately, and I don't know what it is, because normally I am not a rose girl, but for some reason I am in love with these fragrances. Now this one is not one of my all-time faves of Bath and Body Works, but it is a nice rose scent that I think is nice for bedtime, which is why I got this. And so I'm gonna go ahead and spray the fire fragrance mist now. It's really, oh yeah, it's really nice right before bed. It's just something about it. I don't know about how I'm gonna feel about wearing it during the day, but at night, yes girl, I'm all about that. Their aromatherapy products, whatever day I went in there last week, they had their aromatherapy on sale for $6. So you guys know I couldn't pass that up. So I did get 2 of the Love, which is my favorite one that they have, and it is in rose and vanilla, which by the way is my favorite Bath and Body Works scent right now. I'm so in love with this scent. I wish they made it in like everything. I know they make a pillow mist, but that pillow mist is not like a 5-in-1 like some of the pillow mists. It's only like a straight up pillow mist. It's not like the one you can spray on your skin. At least it doesn't say that. And so I am really disappointed that they don't make that in a 5-in-1. But girl, if you have not tried this scent, oh my lord, this is such a beautiful relaxing scent. I am in love with this, as I said. So I picked up 2 of these, and then I did get the matching shower gel as well. This is a new one. I hadn't seen this before. This is the Nourishing Body Oil. This was not on the sale, but I still picked it up anyway. It was normally $16.50, but I had a 10 off 30 coupon. And again, I was buying the other products that were $6, so it still brought it down, you know, quite a bit. And so I went ahead and picked this up. Alright, so I did wind up picking up the pink coconut Calypso, which just looks like this. This smells really good, you guys. I didn't get the shower gel and the lotion because, like I said, I only had the coupons that day, and I wasn't about to spend, you know, whatever. They weren't on sale, so I wasn't going to spend whatever these are, $14.50 to get one of these. So I'll just wait till they go on sale and pick up another, you know, pick up the rest of them. So the notes on this is coconut water, seaside freesia, sun-kissed lily, apple, and driftwood. And this is really nice. It's it was the nicest one of the 3 in the new collection that they had. A coupon for the rosewater and ivy wallflower bulb, and I did pick up some more of these, but this one was the free one that's in this bag, so I thought I'd just show this one. Definitely started off my obsession with this fragrance right here. I have never checked this one out. I know it's been out for maybe a year or 2 now. I'm not quite sure, but the sales associate had told me that they used to have it in all kind of different forms, like shower steamers and things like that, which I unfortunately missed out on because I was not about that rose life until I actually smelled the Love candle. Just like totally shifted my perspective on rose. Anyway, so I bought one of these looking for an alternative for my mahogany teak wood. Usually I have mahogany teak wood in my bedroom, and I was just getting a little bit tired of that one. I had it for so long, and so I said, well, let me try this one. And don't you know, I had came home, put that plug-in in, and girl, it just kind of blew me away. And so I had to have everything that I could find in this rose water ivy, because this is the bomb. To me, it's like a clean powdery scent, but you do get that beautiful girly rose scent too. It's not grandmama. If you think it might be like a grandmama scent, no, it's not a grandmama scent. It is definitely a nice youthful rose. Yeah, very clean, very fresh, very pretty and girly. You are definitely going to love this. If you give it a try, just go smell it. It's very light and beautiful. To the candles that I picked up, and I wound up getting 6 candles, which I'm very shocked about because the price has gone up on them so much, but I could not resist these beautiful fragrances that they had out. So yeah, let me just show you what I picked up. I picked up one of the pink petal tea cake candles right here. I do have 2 of these left, but I loved the packaging on this one. Oh, and it smells amazing. If you have not smelled this one, definitely go smell it. Again, the notes on this one is pink rose petals, pound cake, which is why I love it. It has that sweetness to it, and vanilla glaze. And girls and guys, this one is to die for. So beautiful. I just love this scent right here. Picked up is the pineapple crumb cake, and the packaging just looks like this, and so nice. Girls and guys, let me just read you the scent notes. It says golden pineapple, rich pound cake, and sweet brown butter. It's nice. Yes, this is one that I could even see burning this in the fall time. It's so nice. I love it. It reminds me of, you know what it reminds me of? Pineapple upside down cake. If you've ever made a pineapple upside down cake, you know what I'm talking about. It's that brown sugar, that pineapple. I'm not getting the cherry on top, but I'm definitely getting the brown sugar and the pineapple. Love this one. Beautiful scent. One is key lime pie. I have been looking at this one for a while, guys, and just kept passing it up and kept passing it up, but I went ahead and bought it. And the main reason is I had got influenced by my sis here on YouTube, Tina Marie. Who else? She loves this candle, and so I went ahead and purchased it. I love it. And the notes read zesty key lime, graham cracker crust, and a dollop of meringue. So nice. I picked up the banana bundt cake. Yes, this one, let me just tell you. Oh, it just smells so nice. Okay, so it says a sweet banana, toasted walnuts, and fresh cinnamon. Yes, I love this. So beautiful. I hope it burns well and that the scent doesn't change and that it's strong. But it is really nice. I picked one of these up. I have a guest with me. This is, you guys know who this is. This is my daughter Aaliyah. Hi. There you go. Alright, enough of that. The next one is this rose water and ivy candle right here. And this one is just a beautiful powdery scent. Let me just go ahead and read you the scent description. It says soft rose petals, rain kissed ivy, and spring musk. So beautiful. So no, I'm not getting any of those scent notes at all I'm getting is like a powdery rose scent. Really nice, not overpowering. So, and I just love it. I love it. To the candles that my husband bought me for Valentine's Day. So he did pick up the love candle for me, and I again love this candle. Whenever I light this in my room, I feel so nice and soothed and relaxed. So it does do what it says. It says rose oil, feelings of connection and self-confidence, vanilla extract encourages relaxation. So I can definitely say that these do what they say. Soaps as well. Yesterday they were on sale, so I went back in there and did a little bit of damage. I only got 5 of them. I didn't go too extreme, but I did pick up the Rainforest Gardenia, and it looks like this. I thought it would be nice for the kitchen in springtime. Oh yeah, it's a nice floral. It's got a green note to it, so it's not all gardenia. Unwashed citrus, and so it looks like this. And let me just smell this one. This smells really good too. It's very light, so I think I'm gonna definitely love this one. It does have a citrusy note to it, but it kind of is like a for me, it's like a soda pop scent. Let me just read the notes. It says sugared lemons, juicy pineapple, and mandarin. So yeah, that's why, because it's got a lot of sugar to it. So, and then guys, I got the raspberry tangerine, and it looks like this. And so the notes on this read wild raspberry, fresh tangerine, and lemon zest. And again, it looks like this. And let me just open this. So this one is really nice too. I keep saying that, but yeah, I like them all. Again, I bought them, so I like them all, but this one is really nice. And guys, I got 2 of these, and these are the rose water and ivy scents, which is the reason I went in there in the first place. I wanted to have these in my master bathroom. I probably should have picked up a few more of these, but I wanted to give these a try first to see how I like them in the hand soap form. I did smell them in the store as well as try them out. They were a little light to me, but I still wanted to try them. Let me see if I can open it. Again, it smells beautiful here, but it is very light, so that is probably why it was getting lost in the store, because there's so many other smells in there. This is going to be my go-to bedroom scent probably for the entire summer, and who knows how long beyond that. So I love this. And these will be for my master bathroom as well, to match the other fragrances that I am going to be using. And portables for my car in the rose water and ivy scent. Can you guys tell I really love this scent? So I got 3 of those, and one is already in my car already. I couldn't help myself. It is very light, so if you are expecting it to throw really well, it doesn't. You could probably even skip that one. I can barely smell it, so I'm not going to tell you to go and buy that, because I don't think I will repurchase it. But I did get the rose quartz. This was a free item. I'm not sure if I'm going to like this, because once I got home, I did read that it had patchouli in it, and I am not a patchouli girl whatsoever. I cannot stand that fragrance. So this is probably going to have to go back, because I know if I use it, I'm going to smell it here, but and I don't want to use it and then, you know, somebody else has to have it or just waste it. And I can't even smell the patchouli here, so I don't know, you guys. Anyway, so I'm just afraid I'm gonna smell patchouli, and I cannot stand patchouli. But this it just caught my eye because I have been buying so many rose scents. So I picked up are just wallflowers. So guys, yeah, I went a little wallflower crazy, but I needed wallflowers. I was almost out of wallflowers, and I like to have a nice smelling home. Who doesn't? So I picked up, can you guys guess what I picked up? A whole bunch of these rose water ivies, and these will be strictly for my bedroom. So I got 5 of these because I think they were like 5 for $23 or something. That was the deal. I don't know, but I did get 5 of these. One of them is already up in my bedroom. Back here I picked up a few, oops. And then in this last bag here I picked up a few of the key lime pies. And how many did I get? Actually, I got like 4 of these, but I have 3 here of the key lime pie, because I have one already in my laundry room. And so my husband really likes this scent, so I got 3 of these. 2 more different scents. I got the hot fudge sundae. They did not have this candle at all in my store, but I wanted to try it, and the tester candle smelled really good, so I did pick one of the hot fudge sundaes. And then I got one of the white caramel cold brew, and it just, you know, looks like a wallflower. And I did like the tester in this one as well, so I picked one of these up. And one of the mahogany teak woods. I might go back and exchange this one because, as I said, I'm getting a little bit tired of this scent, and I'm really enjoying having that rosewater ivy in my room. So I might go back and exchange this for maybe a rosewater ivy or something else. We'll see. But yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. You guys see that I'm really about that rose life right now. I do really love the sweeter roses, if I didn't say it before. Pink Petal Tea Cake, the Love Candle, and Rosewater Ivy are all winners for me. If you haven't tried them already, definitely go check them out. And again, thank you guys so much for watching this little video. If you have enjoyed it, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.